Welcome, today for the new CUBOT P50 and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google feature on this device. So now when I'm saying Hey OK Google, we can see that this feature is activated, and to turn it off, we should launch first Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. Then we should click here to the settings section, tap to voice and select voice match. Then just to turn off Hey Google feature, we should click here once on the switcher and tap to OK. And now when I'll say the Hey Google, OK Google, we can see that this feature successfully turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.